गुड मॉर्निंग पीपल. नेक्स्ट डे. टुडे इज 28. अरे यार मैं डेट ही भूल जाता हूँ. टुडे इज 28. टाइम इज 9 o'clock. We are ready to go to Shimla today and Kufri after that. Maybe let's see. So today we will be doing bike rides. Like some of us are doing bike rides. Some of us want to enjoy the toy train. So yeah, we are in Shogi currently. So we will be taking bikes from here and going all the way to Kufri and to the Kufri top. From there we will maybe do the adventure activities and then return to Shimla to spend the rest of the day there and then back to the homestay. So yeah, this is pretty much it today. So we'll see you. Bye. Again the same view. By the way, I'm going to bike ride today, so I have wore thermals inside, and I've taken 2 more layers in my bag so that if I feel more cold on the bike, I will wear them. So yes, totally ready for the bike ride. I'm a little bit skeptical because there are other people who are less experienced in bike riding, and I'm the one only more experienced. So let's see.
और पिछले दिन की ही तरह हमारा ये दिन भी शुरू हुआ ब्रेकफास्ट और फोटोशूट के साथ। बारह में से हम 4 लोग बाइक राइड करने वाले थे और बाकी के लोग टॉय ट्रेन से जाने वाले थे। एक डोमिनार और एक हिमालयन हमने शोगी से रेंट कर ली और 2 बाइक्स शिमला से रेंट करने का प्लान था, जो कि थी जावा और एक्सपल्स।
Hello people. Now we have taken bikes. अभी रुक पहले bikes दिखाने दे. We have taken one Dominar, one Himalayan, and we are enjoying the ride very nicely. All 4 people on 2 bikes. We are still to take 2 bikes from Shimla and a very sunny day, and we are enjoying a lot. I'll show you the scenery. Nice man. Ooh. This is the scenery here.
हम 4 लोग बाइक्स एंजॉय कर रहे थे तो पैरेलली बाकी लोग टॉय ट्रेन के मजे ले रहे थे।
सो हम शिमला पहुंच गए थे. वहाँ से अभी आगे जा रहे हैं कुफरी बाइक राइड के लिए. एंड इट्स टू कोल्ड टू राइड ऑन बाइक.
I have my shirt inside. I have a thermal first. I have then shirt inside. Then I have one sweater and I have this fifth layer on me. It's that cold and my hands are like very very cold and I am driving. We have stopped here somewhere. It's too down. We have stopped here somewhere to eat something. We're hungry. So yeah. So at last we are in Kufri. Here we have parked our bikes and this is the view. Monkeys fighting. So this is the view from here. It snowed a bit, but not a lot, and which is a good thing because we are riding bikes. We don't want snow on the roads. Yeah, this is the view. We are going for a horse ride. Let's see, it's supposed to take us little bit up more from where we can have the view, more view. Why are you taking my yes.
हमें लगा ऊपर जाके कुछ अच्छा व्यू पॉइंट होगा। जब हम ऊपर पहुँचे तो देखा कि एक बड़ा सा मेला लग रखा है। बहुत भीड़ थी।
So we have come to Kufri top, जहाँ से ये view है. There are a lot of shops here, a lot of crowd. I won't say it was worth it. And there was the horse ride. There was this horse ride to the top of this Kufri. Like it was like 20 minutes of horse ride, which I opted for. I opted for the horse ride, and when I was on the horse for like 2-3 minutes, I felt that the horse was struggling and I decided to just walk the whole way. So yeah, you can say I'm kind. But yeah, that horseman told me ki no worries, horses have more strength and they can easily take my weight, but I just could feel that horse struggling, so I didn't opt for it. I opted for it, but I didn't come on that. I just walked all the way up. 20 minutes nice trek before the actual Kedarkanta trek. We came on the top. Me and Leela are here. Hi. And we are looking for our friends. Lot of crowd here. So yeah.
Hi. We are back in homestay now. Today's bike ride was so much fun and so much worse at the end of the day. We were riding bikes in like 2 degrees Celsius in night. It was too freezing. It was too freezing. I was like not feeling my hands while driving. So, but at last we make it to Shogi, and now we are in our homestay. Tomorrow we will be going to Kufri, where we will start our Kedarkanta trek. Yes, a trek is coming in. Yay! So yeah, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock we have a
tempo traveler which will take us to Kufri. Kufri is like 200, sorry, Sankri. Sankri is like 200 kilometers from here. So by tomorrow day evening, we should be in Sankri where we start our Kedarkanta trek. And yes, I am super excited for this trek. The main purpose for me to come to this trip was the trek. This Shimla was just like okay, but yeah, I'm most excited for the trek part. We are going to do, like, as you know, 4 to 5 days of trek, and doing a summit on 1 Jan, that is 1 Jan 2022. We'll be doing the summit and looking at the sunrise. So yeah, tomorrow Sankri it is. Let's see you tomorrow. Bye.